Today, we're watching the Kawasaki SonicRider get built, and one small mistake here can change everything. It starts with raw materials, steel, aluminum, carbon fiber, because quality begins before the bike even exists. Every batch is verified. If the metal is even slightly off, high-speed failure becomes a real risk. CNC tube cutting, millimeter precision, because the frame's accuracy starts right here. Now tube bending. If the curve isn't perfect, geometry shifts and handling suffers. Joint prep and notching. Tight fit matters because weak joints don't survive hard riding. The frame locks into a precision jig. This is where the motorcycle skeleton truly takes shape. Tack welds first. Small points, but they hold everything for the real welds. Full TIG welding. Clean beads, strong joints. Heat control is the real test. Weld inspection. Scanners look for defects you can't see, even micro cracks. Heat treatment relieves stress because fatigue failure starts long before you notice it. Shot blasting cleans the surface so the finish can bond perfectly. Powder coating the signature green frame, protection and identity in one step. Precision measurement because even 1 millimeter off can ruin assembly later. Next is the swing arm blank. Heavy now, but it's about to become a performance part. CNC machining shapes it cleanly. Rear stability depends on this accuracy. Bearings are pressed in. Too tight or too loose and vibration wins. Engine case casting. Molten aluminum. One bad pour and the whole case is scrap. CNC finishing seals the details because leak-proof engines are made in the tiny surfaces. Crankshaft forging. This is the engine's heart, and the pressure here is brutal. Grinding and polish, mirror smooth. Less friction means more life. Pistons get weight matched because imbalance at high RPM is a problem you feel. Cylinder honing, crosshatch texture. It controls oil film and wear. Cylinder head port machining. Airflow is performance, and it starts here. Valve train assembly. Timing must be perfect or power disappears. Gearbox assembly. Every gear must fit right or shifts turn rough fast. Bottom end assembly. Torque matters. One wrong step can destroy reliability. Top end closure. Bolts tighten in sequence because sealing is everything. Leak testing. Pressure holds or this engine doesn't move forward. First bench start. This is always tense. You instantly know if something's wrong. Radiator assembly. Cooling is survival at performance temperatures. Pressure testing. One tiny leak becomes a big failure later. Exhaust forming. Geometry sets flow and the sound you'll hear. Exhaust welding. Clean seams because vibration destroys weak welds. Wheel rim machining. High-speed stability depends on perfect balance. Paint and the green rim stripe, signature detail, perfectly aligned. Tire mounting, bead seating must be flawless or wobble follows. Wheel balancing, gram-level correction for a smooth ride. Brake rotor machining, patterns that balance bite and cooling. Caliper assembly, smooth piston travel because uneven braking is dangerous. Front fork assembly, seals and oil. One mistake here means leaks. Rear shock build. This is control and comfort engineered together. Wiring harness routing. Organized now prevents mystery faults later. Electrical testing. Every circuit checked before it ever touches the bike. ECU flashing. The brain is programmed and a single error can mean no start. Sensor calibration because modern performance depends on perfect data. Instrument cluster test. The bike's interface comes alive. Headlight testing. Beam pattern matters because visibility is safety. Carbon fiber layup, lightweight strength, but only if it's done perfectly. Autoclave curing, heat and pressure, where carbon fiber becomes serious. Trimming and drilling, mount points must be exact or gaps will show. Emerald paint booth, one speck of dust and the panel is rejected. Decals and clear coat, alignment locked, premium finish sealed in. Seat manufacturing, comfort is engineered, not guessed. Now final assembly begins. This is where parts become a motorcycle. The engine drops into the frame, and if it doesn't sit perfect, nothing will. Swing arm and linkage, rear geometry set, handling starts to feel real. Rear shock install, travel check, because binding would ruin the ride. Triple clamp and forks, front end control gets locked in. Front wheel with laser alignment, because stability is unforgiving. Rear wheel and chain, tension perfect, or wear and power loss begin. Brakes and bleeding, leave one bubble and braking strength disappears. Cooling system and fill, clean, controlled, no spills allowed. Fuel tank install, flush fit, gaps here kill the premium feel. Harness, ECU and sensors, every connector click matters, miss one and systems fail. Exhaust installation, alignment perfect, performance depends on it. Carbon fairings go on, panel gaps sharp, this is where it looks expensive. Cockpit assembly, controls, cluster, windscreen, the command center is ready. Fluids and battery, final lifeblood. Now comes the real moment. First power on, lights, cluster. Now we find out if everything talks correctly. First full bike start. This is the moment. If something's off, it all stops. Torque audit. Critical bolts rechecked because safety has no shortcuts. AI vision inspection. Paint, decals, gaps. Cameras catch what humans miss. Dyno run. Power test. Now we see if SonicRider truly earns its name. Brake roller test. Smooth stop control. One wobble and it's a fail. Suspension rig. Compression and rebound. Confidence is built here. Water spray test. Are the seals perfect or is there a surprise? Final detailing. Polish, precision. Showroom finish achieved. Final hero walk-around. Every line sharp, every surface clean. Ready to impress. Crating and shipping. SonicRider is locked in. Now it leaves the factory for the real world.